Hello, my dear children. I am your art and craft teacher, Mrs. Vandana Talwar. So, children, do you know which festival is coming now? Yes, Diwali, the festival of lights. It is on 14th November 2020. Children, we celebrate Diwali because on this day, Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. On this festival, we all clean our houses, wear new clothes, light diyas and lamps, and make rangolis. And also, we use eco friendly and green crackers. But, children, due to COVID 19, this year we will stay at home and will celebrate Safe Diwali. So now let's use our time and do some creativity today. I will teach you to make a beautiful card for your family and friends. My dear children, you can take help of your mom to make this card. For this we need A4 size ivory sheet, a red colored square piece of paper, pencil, eraser, scale, scissors, earbud, glue, yellow and orange crayon, and red and orange watercolor. Now, children, take the A4 size sheet and fold the sheet in half in this way. Now take the pencil and scale and draw the straight line on all sides of the card. You can take the help of your mom to draw these lines. Now take the orange color, dip your finger in the color and do the printing on the side border as shown. Remember children, we have to use another color. So we will leave the space in between the orange circles. Now we will repeat same method and do the earbud printing with red color as shown. Now keep it on one side and let it dry. After this, take the red square piece and fold it as we fold the hand fan as shown. And now take it in your hands and fold it from half. Again take help from your mom and tell your mom to cut the side to make it neat. Children, you will not touch the scissors as it will harm you. Now apply the glue on the folds as it is shown in the video. Now see, we have folded it and made a fan. Now again take the glue and apply it on the diya which we have made. And set it in the center of the card. Leave it to dry now. Now take the pencil and draw a big leaf in the center of the diya. Now again draw the smaller leaf now we will color the center flame in orange color. And the outer flame in yellow color. Now again highlight the outline with pencil. And now we will write down Happy Diwali on the top of the diya. So now your card is ready. Hope you all enjoyed this activity. Very good. Bye and Happy Diwali to all.